Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk through how to see saved passwords in Microsoft Edge. The first thing you do is launch your browser, Microsoft Edge browser, and after that you click on the three dots at the top right corner. Then you click on settings, and then from settings here head over this part of the browser. You see settings, so some profile, make sure some profile. Then over here head over to passwords, click on passwords. Now when you click on password in this sidebar here, it will take you to a feature called Microsoft Wallet, and this is the Microsoft Wallet, and there you begin opportunity to store all your password and usernames all in one place. For instance, your website, social media portals, and anyone you visited and would like to save the password for use. So to do that, simply click on add password. You can add more password to it, then you put in everything you need to know and click on save. Then also if you click on the button here, the buttons here, you'll be able to see the password for each of the sites. As you can see, 490 sites I've been to, and I have an apps and I have their password saved here already. The next thing, you can also import by clicking on this three dots over here. You can import passwords from other sites or other places, and you can also export them. You can also see your declined sites and apps. The next thing, you click on settings over here to take you to this part where you can instruct or allow Microsoft Edge to save your password and keep them secure. So offer to save password, turn it on like this. Then you can also choose to view and auto-fill password and passkeys by turning this on to allow Microsoft Edge to automatically fill password and suggest available passkeys. You can click on more to see other options. If you don't want to choose the one of fill website password and sign automatically, suggest available passkey, you can choose prompt for the device signing option before viewing or filing or filling website password. You can choose prompt for the custom primary password before viewing or filling website password. Then you can scan, also leave this on by scanning for leaked password. So Microsoft Edge will check your password saving Edge against a known repository of exposed credentials and alert you if a match is found. Then you can also turn this on to show the review password button in password fields. So selecting the button shows what you've typed. Some sites may actually override the settings. Then turn this on also if you want Microsoft Edge to suggest you use a strong password. And if you choose to use a strong password that Microsoft Edge generated for you, they will be saved and filed automatically for next time. So that's it. So we have other options here, but that's actually it for the passwords. So you can see a lot of things you can do using the settings. That is the wallet. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this which we put up every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Thank you, really appreciate it. Anyway, see you next time. Have a lovely day or night depending on your time zone. Bye for now.